And we're back to learning CapCut in year day 135. Let me show you the optical flow option. You use it when you, for example, have footage like this. It has 24 frames per second. If you want to create kind of like a slow-mo effect, let me go to speed, standard. I go to 0.5 to double the duration right here. And you can see it already gets chopped up. It's because 24 frames are enough for the regular speed. But when you slow it down, then 24 frames per second aren't enough anymore to have a smooth flow. And that's what the optical flow is for. So we go to video, basic, scroll a little bit, then you can find it, check the box and apply it to all. And now it gets processed. What it simply does, it creates new intermediate frames. So it analyzes what frames are there. And then it creates new frames in between automatically. And that's the idea of making this smoother. So at 24 frames per second, we'll then have more frames per second. And therefore the result of slowing it down should be smoother. Best process is obviously to shoot your videos with more frames per second if you know that you're going to create a slowdown, a slow motion effect afterwards. But if you can't do that, then at least try it out. Not all results will be perfect. Sometimes you will have certain stretches, bends, and even glitches inside of it, especially when it comes to faces. It can distort it a little bit or warp certain objects that are moving. You also have a frame rate option. Here you can set the frames. The higher you go with the value, the more frames, the more intermediate frames will be generated, and therefore you're going to have more artifacts. So be careful, only use the frame rate that you actually need. Good rule of thumb is to use 30 frames per second first. It gets processed the fastest, and then you check if it's still choppy, if it's still not a result that you need, and then you can try out the other ones. And this is what the optical flow in CapCut is for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.